For getting the right amount of light right where you need it, reach for the Radiant Rechargeable Utility Light. To start, make sure your light is fully charged via the USB-C located under the end cap. To turn on the light, fully press and release the button on the end. By clicking the button again within 3 seconds, you can cycle through the different lights, including a flashlight, white task light, and red task light. Each light features several different modes. For the white lights, you can give the button a half press to move between high and low brightness. For the red light, a half press will turn the light from high to low to signal. To turn the light off, press and hold for about 2 seconds, waiting for the green indicator light to shut off before releasing the button. The utility light has a memory feature, so it will automatically return to your last setting when you turn it back on. There is also a strobe mode for when you really need to get someone's attention. With the light off, quickly give the button a half press followed by a full press. One additional click will turn it off. If you press and hold the button for 5 seconds, the red task light will flash 3 times, entering lockout mode to prevent accidental battery drain. When the button is pressed in lockout mode, it will flash red twice. To exit lockout mode, press and hold the button for 5 seconds. After the white task light flashes twice, your utility light is ready to go.